Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. Back here at our 86 GMC square body crew cab dually project, codename Shop Truck. So last video here we did the interior work, got the headliner and stuff in, got the sleeper removed. I think we're going to lose the sleeper. We've been back and forth about that, but I think it's gone. If anybody's interested in it, contact me. I got it for sale on the marketplace. So this project for today's video is going to be some cab light restoration. We mess with these cab lights here. These are the factory cab lights. As you can see, this one here looks a little bit different. It's all dusty here right now, but we took this one off and hit it with some Scotch-Brite and put a nice coat of clear coat on it and a new LED bulb. So I'm going to show you what we did on that one to the other four, and I'll show you the bulbs we picked up there off the old eBay. So we picked these up here. Got these from eBay. I bought I think 20 of these here. I got enough to do all the amber lights in the truck, including our bumper guide lights here, and I'm pretty sure that that's the 194 bulb. I'm pretty sure that's the same ones that's in these running lights on these running boards. So I got all four done in the front here. I'll turn them on real quick. You can see the difference in the cab light there from this one to the other four, well, other three. The one in the middle is burnout. And then you got these here all cleaned up. Show you what these look like. You can see the LED bulb. There it is. Real nice bulbs for the money. I forget what they were, but 20 of them, I think it was under 20 bucks shipped. And they came real fast. If anybody wants, I can send a link to them. But yeah, real happy with these. They're nice and bright. So what we're going to do today, we're going to get these other ones off and get them cleaned up, cleared, and reinstalled. So let's get going. Alright guys, so I got these remaining lights off of here. So Blake's going to work his magic. He's going to get these scuffed up with some Scotch-Brite, get them cleaned up, wipe down, and get them clear coated. And we'll let them dry and get them back on. Blake got a nice coat of shiny stuff on here. This is the stuff we use, this U-pole. Good stuff for a rattle can clear. Dries super, like, ridiculously fast too. I think this stuff dries in like a minute. And real good stuff, holds up nice. Been using this stuff for a while. So he got these all cleaned up. They look like brand new again. They got a real nice shine to them, real nice reflection. So we're gonna get these back on. While he was doing that, I installed the new LED bulbs in the sockets up there. You can see how bright they are. So we're gonna get these. Lenses on now and finish this up. Well, guys, we got our cab lights all refurbished. New LED bulbs in them. They look like brand new. One thing I want to mention, I was struggling putting the lens back into the gasket while the gasket was still on the cab. It was kind of like just stuck there. Had a little difficulty doing that, so I removed the gasket from the cab, installed the gasket onto the lens, and it popped on very easily. Then I just put the assembly back onto the truck. So, little tip there. So that's going to be it for this here, guys. Appreciate you checking this out here. Come out pretty nice. Gives a nice bright look. So as always, guys, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, asking questions and commenting. And from Blake and I, we'll see you later. Thanks.